Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MEEKO token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MEEKO is an Ethereum based meme token inspired by Shiba Inu named MEEKO, introduced in a video by the creator Shane Nation. Due to his visual reassemble the original Doge meme, the community adopted him as Doge's little brother. The project operates as a decentralized community-driven token. MEEKO features a fixed total supply of 1 billion tokens and zero transaction tax on buys and sales. The initial liquidity pool is locked on Uniswap, establishing it as a pure meme token created for entertainment purposes, not financial advice. MEEKO token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. MEEKO token is listed on Uniswap, B2, V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.